Ever found yourself wishing for a magic wand to banish scheduling headaches? The endless back and forth emails, the double bookings, the sheer administrative chaos that sucks up your precious time? If you're nodding along, chances are you've stumbled upon scheduling software like Acuity Scheduling. And if you're like most people, the very first question that pops into your head is, can I use Acuity for free? That's exactly what we're diving into today. Forget the generic, hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. We're tackling the burning question head-on because your time is valuable, and so is your budget. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty of Acuity's pricing structure, let's take a step back and understand why you might be looking for a free scheduling solution in the first place. Maybe you're a solopreneur just starting out, bootstrapping your way to success. Perhaps you're running a small side hustle and haven't quite reached the point where shelling out for subscription software feels justifiable. Or maybe you're simply cautious about adding another monthly expense to your already growing list. All of these reasons are completely valid. The allure of free is undeniable. In a world saturated with subscription fees for everything from streaming services to productivity apps, finding a genuinely useful tool that doesn't cost a dime can feel like striking gold. And when it comes to essential business functions like scheduling, the potential savings can be significant. Think about the alternatives to dedicated scheduling software. You might be relying on manual calendar management, juggling appointments through email threads and phone calls. This approach, while technically free in terms of monetary cost, comes with a hefty price tag in terms of time, effort, and the potential for errors. Missed appointments, double bookings, and the sheer frustration of coordinating schedules can lead to lost revenue and a less-than-professional image. Then there are the partially free methods, perhaps using a basic calendar app with shared access or a free online form to collect availability. While these can offer a slight improvement over purely manual methods, they often lack the automation and features needed for efficient scheduling, such as automated reminders, different appointment types, payment processing, and seamless integration with other business tools. This is where dedicated scheduling software like Acuity comes into the picture. It promises to streamline your booking process, automate reminders, manage your availability, and ultimately free up your time to focus on what you do best. But again, the question remains, can you access these benefits without opening your wallet? Let's cut to the chase. As of today, April 25th, 2025, Acuity Scheduling does not offer a completely free plan for the long term. Unlike some other software providers that might offer a basic free tier with limited features, Acuity operates on a subscription-based model. They offer various paid plans designed to cater to different business needs and sizes. Now, before you click away in disappointment, hold on a second. The story doesn't end there. While a permanent free plan isn't an option, Acuity does provide a valuable opportunity to try before you buy, a free trial period. Typically, this free trial lasts for 7 days. This trial period grants you access to many, if not all, of the features available in their paid plans. This is your chance to take Acuity for a spin, explore its functionalities, and see if it truly integrates seamlessly into your workflow. Think of this free trial as a test drive. You get to experience firsthand how Acuity can automate your scheduling, send out confirmation and reminder emails, manage different appointment types, and even integrate with payment processors if you plan on charging for your services. You can set up your availability, customize your booking page, and see how your clients interact with the system. This hands-on experience is invaluable. Instead of just reading about features, you can actually see them in action and determine if they meet your specific needs. You can gauge how user-friendly the platform is, how well it integrates with your existing tools, like your website or calendar, and ultimately, whether it's a worthwhile investment for your business. So, while the answer to the direct question, can I use Acuity for free, is generally no in the long run, the availability of a free trial significantly lowers the barrier to entry. It allows you to make an informed decision without any initial financial commitment. Now, let's delve a little deeper into what you can typically expect during this free trial period. While the exact features available might vary slightly depending on Acuity's current offerings, you'll generally have access to core functionalities such as online booking page. You can create a customizable booking page where clients can view your availability and schedule appointments themselves. Appointment types. You can set up different types of services or appointments with varying durations and prices, if applicable. Automated reminders. Acuity can automatically send confirmation and reminder emails to both you and your clients, reducing no-shows. Calendar synchronization. You can typically sync Acuity with your existing calendar, like Google Calendar, Outlook Calendar, or iCloud Calendar, to avoid double bookings. Basic integrations. You might have access to some basic integrations with other platforms. It's important to note that during the free trial, some advanced features or higher usage limits might be restricted. However, the core functionalities necessary to evaluate the platform's suitability for your basic scheduling needs are usually available. Once your free trial period ends, you'll need to choose a paid subscription plan to continue using Acuity. They typically offer different tiers with varying features and pricing, often based on the number of appointments you process per month or the specific features you require. So, how can you make the most of this free trial period? Here are a few tips. Plan ahead. Before you even start the trial, think about your specific scheduling needs and pain points. What are the key features you're looking for in a scheduling solution? Set up thoroughly. Don't just skim the surface. Take the time to set up your appointment types, availability, booking page, and any integrations you might need. Test the client experience. Go through the booking process as if you were one of your clients. Is it intuitive and easy to use? Explore the features. Don't be afraid to click around and explore all the available features during the trial. Watch tutorials or read their help documentation if needed. Track your usage. Monitor how much time Acuity saves you and how it streamlines your scheduling process during the trial. This will help you determine its value proposition. Consider future needs. Think about how your scheduling needs might evolve as your business grows. Will the features offered in the paid plans accommodate your future requirements? By actively engaging with the free trial, you can make a well-informed decision about whether Acuity is the right scheduling solution for you in the long run. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.